If your bathroom is in need of a bit of an update and refresh, stick with me. I'm going to give you some of my best and favorite tips in doing a small bathroom renovation. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every week when I release a new design video. So I want to show you a before picture of this bathroom. As you can see, it was done, I think, in about the 90s. It's just dated, it's just needing a refresh, and I'm going to give you some of my tips of what we did to do that. So tip number one in doing a bathroom renovation, or really any renovation, if you want to save costs, is keep the footprint the same. So what I mean by that, if you're changing the location of where the shower is, where the toilet is, the electrical, all of those things, that's where costs can really add up. Now if you're keeping the footprint the same, and that's what we did in this renovation, then you can just play and update with some of the finishes. So once you've decided if you're going to keep the footprint the same like we did in this one, you want to come up with your design plan, or what I like to call the finishing plan, where all the pieces work together. So for the jumping off point in this bathroom was actually the tile on the floor. So the homeowner, we found this tile and she fell in love with it. What I thought was really interesting about what we did in this case though, this was typically would be used, this tile, for a backsplash, but instead of using it as a backsplash, we actually put it on the floor. So it is a marble, it's well sealed, it's fine for a bathroom, but sometimes I just wanted to say to think out of the box. There can be tiles that you would typically put as a backsplash and you can use as the floor and on the floor, and that just created a really fun jumping off point for us. So once we had our tile chosen, then came the rest of the decisions. The next was the vanity for us. We wanted to really play off the warm tones of the tile on the floor. So we picked this vanity that was actually in stock, easily delivered, had the sink included with it, and it's in this really nice walnut color, and the style works. So you can get vanities made from a mill worker, but another option if you're on a tighter budget and timeline like we were with this project is we actually looked online for pieces that were already in stock, make sure to measure them out, and it's a beautiful piece. Next thing I want to talk about is mixing materials in your bathroom, because in this bathroom we mix quite a few materials, and what I mean by that is sometimes you think if you're going gold, you got to go all gold, all silver, black, all black, but we did a mix here. So we've got a really beautiful overhead light that we chose, and it's got a gold to it. Same with the mirror here. I really like choosing a mirror that isn't made specifically for a bathroom. I like choosing kind of decorative mirrors you can find at other stores. Just again, measure, make sure that it works. And then we accent it in black in this bathroom. And I love that because we've got a lot of these warm tones, warm golds, warm woods, but the black really pops. So we added that with the towel bar, with the faucet here, and other accessories. So I hope you've enjoyed this bathroom refresh. If you did, please like it, make sure you're subscribed, and share with your family and friends. And if you're starting a design project or decorating project, the number one first thing you need to do is find out your personal design style. You can link below to take my free design style quiz. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.